Ever wondered how banana leaves are harvested for traditional cakes? Watch as we handpick the freshest leaves to make the most delicious banana dessert. Hello everyone. Wishing you a wonderful day full of health. Today, in this video, we will go together to harvest banana leaves to make a traditional Vietnamese cake that has been passed down for over 100 years. We will harvest fresh banana leaves for cake making. To harvest banana leaves, we can use a knife to cut them directly. For taller banana trees, we use a long pole with a blade attached to the top to pull the leaves down. For the best banana leaves, we select leaves with moderate maturity, slightly dark green in color, and larger than usual, as they will be easier to wrap cakes with. In my hometown, bananas are widely grown because almost every part of the plant is useful. Ripe bananas are eaten fresh or used to make cakes. Green bananas are used for cooking. Banana flowers are also an ingredient in various dishes. Banana stems serve as food for chickens and pigs. Banana leaves are used to wrap cakes. Even banana roots can be processed into food. Dried banana leaves are often used to make nests for hens to lay eggs. I am currently roasting banana leaves in a 20-year-old cashew orchard. Today, I am using dried cashew leaves as fuel to heat the banana leaves. Preparing the banana leaves for wrapping to make the banana leaves more flexible and prevent them from tearing. We heat them over a fire before using them to wrap cakes. We can also boil the leaves in hot water or dry them under the sun for 1 to 2 days to make them softer and easier to work with. We roast the leaves over the fire for about 1 to 2 seconds. Just enough for them to change color, but not burn, making it easier to wrap cakes. After roasting, we cut the banana leaves off the midrib. And divide them into appropriate pieces for wrapping cakes. Making banana stem strings for tying cakes. We use part of the banana stem to make strings for tying the cakes. The best banana stems for this purpose should be neither too fresh nor too dry, ensuring that they are strong and flexible, so they won't break while tying the cakes. Once harvested, We let the banana strings dry under light sunlight for about 30 to 40 minutes to enhance their flexibility. Preparing ingredients for the cake. The ingredients for making bantat include glutinous rice, soaked in water for about 4 to 5 hours. Peeled mung beans, also soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours. Pork belly, which we choose with a good amount of fat to ensure that the filling is moist and flavorful. If only lean meat is used, the filling will become dry after cooking. Cut the pork into suitable portions and season them. After soaking, we drain the rice and mung beans. We marinate the rice and mung beans with a bit of shallot, salt, and pepper to enhance the aroma and flavor when the cake is cooked. We do the same for the pork filling. Once all ingredients are ready, we proceed to wrap the cakes. First, we thoroughly wipe the banana leaves to ensure they are clean. Banana leaves that have been roasted over fire become more flexible, easier to wrap, and have a beautiful color. To wrap the cakes the easiest way, select 2 banana leaf pieces of equal size. 2. Fold them in half twice. 3. Trim them into a square shape, just like in the video. Next, we layer the ingredients. First, we add a layer of glutinous rice. Then, a layer of mung beans. Followed by a layer of pork filling. Finally, we cover with another layer of glutinous rice. We fold the banana leaves over by overlapping the edges, ensuring a tight and secure wrap. Then, we tie the cakes using the banana stem strings that we harvested earlier.
Khó quay hay sao? Next one.
Coi dâu hiện tại xoay đây con đốt rồi cô xem coi nhìn
Hoài nó bắt trước á. The next one.
Cooking the cakes after wrapping. We line the bottom of the pot with banana leaves. Then place the cakes inside. For today's cooking, I am using dry cashew branches as firewood for boiling the cakes. fill the pot with water until it covers the cakes and boil them for about 3 to 4 hours. It's important to keep an eye on the water level. If it reduces, we add more water to ensure the cakes cook thoroughly. Once the cakes are cooked, we take them out.
Cần có
And let them drain.
Tụt hết rồi nè. Chùm này lớn. Chùm nó lớn. Để lót luôn. Cắm tuột dây này hay nè. Buổi tối chả thấy ai đâu.
được luôn. Chờ được ăn.
Ai vậy? Ai kêu vậy? Ai kêu? Vô đi rồi. Đi. Vô. Đi. Đi vô. Đi ai đi. Hèn.
Rồi đi đi. Đi đi. Đi 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 đi. Đi. Đi theo đường.
Thấy cái mặt nó không?
Thấy.
Đi nha. Đi nha.
Để ngay chỗ đèn pin. Để ngay chỗ cái đèn pin này.
The best time to eat the cake is about 30 to 40 minutes after cooking. While it's still warm. If stored at room temperature, these cakes can last 10 to 15 days. If the cakes are still available after this period, they can be steamed for about 30 minutes to restore their softness and taste, just like freshly cooked cakes.
Cái miệng. Đi miếng này. Ôi trời ơi, ăn không nhai luôn. Nuốt liền luôn, nhai luôn. Nè, con thử nha. Nóng, nóng. Hơi nóng.
Con không lấy được.
Con đi lấy đường đi.